So this video is just a quick demonstration of changing out the standard chuck, which is meant for substrates like a glass slide, into the chuck meant for small substrates. So roughly 12 times 12 millimeters square, and it's a fairly straightforward process if you follow the steps. First step is to obviously turn the switch off, unplug the your power supply and the PDC controller, because it makes it a lot easier to work with the base unit when everything is disconnected from it. Next is if you look at the chuck, you should see, like on this one, you could see that there is two black dots around one of the set screws. So there's two set screws on there. One of them has two black dots, and you'll be looking for here. This the set screw with the two black dots need to be unscrewed first. It also needs to be screwed back in first. So you're gonna find out where those two dots are on that set screw, and then you're gonna use a 5/64 hex driver to unscrew that one first. So just want to do that, and then you unscrew the set screw opposite of that, and lay the unit back flat, and just lift up the old chuck. So alright, so there are two things you should know. Is there is a rubber gasket, so that stays where it is. This has to be centered when you put back on this new chuck. And you should see this vacuum bearing. This bearing right here needs to be transferred onto the new chuck, because that's what gives you the vacuum hold. So you just easily slip it off, and you should put a little vacuum grease on this area here, and then you won't want to slip that bearing back onto the chuck for small substrate. Now make sure that the bearing, same way the bearing comes off, is the same way it goes back on. Just write it on there, and that writing could be upside down or it could be right side up. Just make sure it's if it's upside down on it, it's going to be put back on upside down onto this chuck as well. If you're going to be doing this often, switching back and forth, we recommend you buy these another set of these bearings, so you just permanently leave it onto this the chuck for small substrate. They're made by a company, Boca Bearings, and item number is printed on the side of it, so you can look that up and just purchase a few of them directly. All right, next thing again is to find the two black dots, and you want to put this chuck onto the shaft without trying to move this rubber gasket. So all right, now you need to verify the gasket hasn't really moved, and that's the case. So you want to now go ahead and just screw that back. First screw the set screw with the two dots, so that gets screwed on first, and then you want to screw the one opposite of that again, and that's it. So you could spin it by hand to verify that it's definitely well aligned and it's not wobbling, but plug it back in and see that visually that there is no noticeable wobble when it's spinning at low RPMs. You may have to repeat this process a few times if you do notice a wobble, but when we ship these, we do align it very well on our end, and that's it. So again, if you plan on switching back and forth, definitely get another set of these vacuum bearings, and also maybe another set of these rubber gaskets as well.